Right, welcome back everybody. As the title of this video probably says, all I'm going to do is give this fan a bit of a refurb. I think it's already been painted before, probably loads of times, but I'm not sure that it's that yellow it should be, but I got this. It says it's AA yellow, van AA yellow. So it's the best paint that I could get because it was free. So I know they're not a lot, but why not? First thing, let's get the paint off. Well, that's not coming off as easy as I like. I don't know what any of them horse ones left. I think I killed them all. Oh, we got a tiny little bit of teeth on there. Let's see what this one does. It's a bit fine, that one. This is probably a really bad idea, but see what this one does. It's coming off easier, but will there be enough to do it all? I might have another worn one somewhere. So this makes your arm ache. That's coming off. Let me go and see if I can find one with a bit more wire on it. Oh, that's better. That'll do all of it, won't it? I reckon I found the most worn out one that I had, I think. I think what we ought to do with that is throw it in the bin. Alright, go and have a go. Oh yes, that's come off alright. Right. I won't film it. I'm going to do the other side, but I'm not going to film that. You get the idea. Right, so as you can see, they're all cleaned up now. I've just degreased them. And yeah, I say them, I've just done the pipe as well. The water pipe that goes over the top. This is all in an effort to try and get all of the bits and pieces under the bonnet painted before the weather turns cold, because I thought it would have done by now, but it's actually still quite warm today, so I'll give it some X primer. Been using that, but you know, any do. But I just remembered that I ain't shook the can out yet, so I'll stop this for a minute and then I'll be back. Right, oh yeah, I do. I never lay this etch on too thick, just a light coat. Always wear a mask. It's pretty well ventilated in here anyway. If I was in a garage with the door shut, I wouldn't do it. Like, I'd put a mask on, but I'm not. I don't really want to get my phone case covered in paint again. Obviously this isn't going to be painted yellow, it's going to be black, but just thought while I was cleaning stuff up, we'd get that done. So I think that's about the last piece that I need to paint for under the bonnet anyway, for the engine bay. So I painted the starter, tied out the alternator. Yeah, it's just a bit of a clean up for the carbs and stuff. Yeah, because I've already done the pulley. See, I've done the pulley the other day. You might have seen it in the background on one of the other photos, but it's only sand black, but it's gone a bit dull actually, but I'm not building some concourse car anyway. This car's been built to use, like he says every time he gets one. Right, I'm gonna let that dry and then I'll be back. Right, just normal grey primer this time. I've moved the other piece out of the way because I don't, when I get to the colour, I don't want to start getting yellow and black and vice versa. Right, we're back to do the colour. Right, so a quick dusty coat first, just to Actually, I think that's pretty good, to be honest. I think that's going to be closer to the real colour, proper colour than what. From what I remember, that's quite close. Right, I'll let that tack off a bit and then I'll give it another coat. Yeah, I'm well happy with that colour. I think that's quite near to what it was originally. Result. Right, another coat. Lay a bit more on this time. If it'll stay still. I hate about hanging things up, painting. Cool. I reckon give it another 10 minutes. I'll give that one more coat and that'll be sorted. I've got some new rubbers to go in here. They're fine then. Well, obviously I'm not going to put them in. I'll probably put them in when I come over next week because it's properly dry. But yeah, that's come up good. I'm happy with that. So I didn't film the third coat, but it's come up pretty good. I've got a little run there. It's a little bit heavy, but I'm really not going to lose any sleep over it. Yeah, I found me little pack, which is the rubbers to go in there. But obviously that's not going to be going back in there now. But oh yeah, and that's the pipe for anyone that may be interested. But yeah, it's come up all right. I think that's the last couple of bits to paint in there now. So next time we'll get that bolted back on the front of there and get some other bits and pieces into the engine bay. Oh, look at all that dust in the air. That's really bad. Anyway, never mind. Right. Thanks for watching and I will catch you next time.